Welcome back, and welcome to the first video of the course. Today, we will briefly talk about how a radio-controlled airplane flies and the specific components within the system. Imagine being able to prototype something and make it take off the ground. How cool is that? Basically, a typical RC plane thrusts forward by the help of its engine, right? Yes, that is a brushless motor. When it is up in the air, how does it turn right or left? It uses its rudder, which is a control surface mounted on the trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer. The rudder controls the movement of the aircraft as it flies in the air. Now, a vertical stabilizer is the tail fin of an aircraft. It is mounted onto another flat surface known as the horizontal stabilizer. So why exactly do you need the horizontal and vertical stabilizers? The stabilizers provide more stability to your plane to keep it flying straight. You don't want your aircraft to dance around or swing from side to side. These stabilizers keep the aircraft flying straight and true. So aside from the rudder, the aircraft can also make turns by the help of its ailerons. You might have seen them in real life if you ever had a window seat next to the wing, right? Ailerons are surfaces on the plane wing that also control the direction of where your plane will turn, though it is now known as banking. Have you ever tried to ride a bicycle on a steep road? Your body tilts. Yes, that's known as banking, and the analogy is the same with airplanes as well. What about the pitch? Imagine your plane dashing straight nose down on the ground. What do? You gotta control the elevation. You need to pull the nose back up to avoid a miserable crash, right? The elevator does the trick. This is another control surface mounted onto the horizontal stabilizer of the aircraft. And in order to avoid a huge nose bump, you must use the elevator to control the pitch. In this case, the pitch is the lateral axis. In other words, it's referring to the plane's nose going up or down. So you just learned about what is the rudder, the elevator, the ailerons, and of course how a plane moves forward. There are plenty of other features in an RC plane. In the next video of the series, we will dive deeper into the electronics that control these features and how exactly do they communicate with one another. We'll see you later.